Welcome to Merchandise Shops. In this, our second video, we're going to explore the control panel and the features available in the back end. So by now you should have received your welcome email with your account details, and you should be able to log in to your web shop, and you are confronted with the dashboard and the back end, and in this video we're going to explain some of the features. So in the dashboard section, basically this is a summary of some of the sales that have been made. Obviously it's empty at the moment, but as your shop starts to make sales, this page will become a little bit more interesting. So moving on to the second tab, Appearance. Sorry, it seems a little slow at the moment. There we go. In this section, you can select the look of your website. There are various types of template. And each of these templates has different color schemes that can be applied. Choose the template that's most suitable for the type of web shop that you are going to create. When you have selected your chosen template and color, click on Apply Template, and your shop will change, the view will change, which you can see live. It happens almost immediately by clicking back over to the View Store tab. Also on this page are some features, one called Page Elements, where there is some further customization of some of the features that are available on your page. If you are familiar or happy with some web design tools, CSS, HTML, you can further customize the look of your web shop, but if you're not happy with those kind of features, then we advise that you leave those well alone. The next tab, Website Pages. Here you can decide which you want to appear on each of the pages in your web shop. The home page is especially important because it contains a lot of the SEO features, which is the search engine optimization features, which make the search engines help find your web shop easier. You can decide which features you want to appear on the home page by scrolling down. We'll go through this in more detail in later videos. The Customer tab, again, at the moment it just shows me, my login. As you get more orders, your customer page will show all the people that have ordered from your web shop. No orders yet. We haven't actually created a site, so nobody's ordered, but again this will be more apparent at a later date. Products. We haven't created any products yet. These are products that are blank items that have been customized with the design that you've created. Again, we'll look at these in a later video. We haven't uploaded any designs yet. These are designs that we would have created which would be ready to apply to a product. Marketing. There are many tools available to help market your web shop. Emails, widgets, which are little icons that can be placed in other pages to point to your site. And various other SEO features, again, which we will look at later. And finally, the Settings tab, which gives a whole range of features. Lots of options, again, SEO, some domain settings. You can choose your own domain name, which you can point at your shop. Some statistics. You can choose your price settings. You can choose how much you want to make profit on each item. It can be a percentage or it can be a set amount. You can choose the blank products that are available in your shop. You may not wish to have some of the products available that we offer. Store name and logo. You can change the name of your store and add a logo. You can choose how our online designer works and some of the elements that appear on the pages. You can also look at the commissions that you've received and the settings for the PayPal account to which your commissions are going to be paid. So that's the Manage Store tab. the View Store tab, when you've changed some of the features in your Manage Store tab, you can click to your View Store tab and see very quickly how your site is changing. The system is set up to try and help you, and there are little helper tabs all over your home page. If we just close this message, you can see these helpful tabs that tell you some of the features that are available. We can turn this off by clicking on, it's just hidden there, it's the quick links. If you turn that off, it's much easier to see your web page. And at the moment all we have is a blank web shop with our title, a place for the logo, a welcome banner which is generic, which can be changed, and just some of the links that will be available later in your shop. Again, we can look at all these and see how your web shop produces and increases in page size in later videos.